So here we have our 2.0 Airbrush makeup system, and this is really great because it's very lightweight and it's easy to pack in your bag. It's a lot of power compact in this, but it's small. So when I'm working in film and TV and I'm constantly packing my bag and traveling and carrying things, I love this because it's really lightweight and it's just easy to transport from set to set. So let's start by connecting our hose. And this one is not a twist on, you just plug it right in. Then we'll take the other end of our hose and plug that right on the end of our Airpod gun. And again, not a twist, you just push it right on. Really easy. From here, I would attach my connector for the 2.0 and the Pro Plus Air system. Push that right into the top. And then you can connect the Airbrush Cradle right into that. And again, what's nice about this is you guys can really turn this any angle, whatever works for you. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the pre-filled AirPod. So first thing is to shake it up and make sure you distribute the product. Then just pop the cap off the back. If this is the first time using it, pull the clear loop back and just let it rest back in place. And then make sure you unplug the back of it. From here, let's pick up our AirPod gun, push the side in, and just attach it like that. Then you can just go back to resting it in your cradle. Now we're going to take our 2-prong AC adapter, plug that into our outlet, and it's really easy to just turn this on. The power button is right below our cradle. Just push down and it's on. Okay. When we're ready to switch over from our AirPod to our AirPod Pro, I'll show you how to just disassemble this. So let's remove it from the cradle, push our side button in, and just break that down here. Actually, we can place this right in the cradle again. Don't forget to put the plug back in the back, and we'll just put our cap right back on. From here, it's really easy to attach your AirPod Pro. We'll just pop the cap off, peel our tamper seal off the front, and again, we're going to pick up our our gun, push the side in, and just click that right into place. From here you can remove your clear cap, and if you want to pre-fill any color to mix and match something that you want to create, if you're in between shades, you can just pour that right in here, just a few drops. I always like to put my cap back on before I start working, just in case you tilt at all, you don't want to spill on anybody. Once you're done, place it in your cradle. Again, to turn it on, you just press the power button right on top. You're ready to go. So now when I'm ready to switch from my AirPod Pro back to my SP40, I'm going to need a few other items. So I'm just going to grab these. I'm going to remove the AirPod Pro by pushing our button in on the side, breaking this piece off, and I always put my backpack on just in case. Don't want to lose anything. I'm going to set that off to the side because I don't need it right now. Then I'm going to take my cradle and my connector and just pull that right out of the 2.0. Set that aside as well. And I'm going to use my airbrush gun holder, which doesn't actually come with this. You have to purchase it separately, but it's definitely worth it. Click that into the side. I'm going to disconnect my AirPod gun just by pulling that hose right off the back end. And then I'm going to take my SP40 with this little extra piece that is called your hose connector, and that twists right onto the bottom. Now you're able to use the 2.0's hose with your SP40. Just like before, it slides right onto the bottom. Super easy. And we're all set. You can just place this in your cradle and push the power button on.